Hello, this is Martin with My IELTS Tutor. I want to welcome you here today. Today we're going to continue our lesson listening, and I wanted to talk about Section 1. Now, Section 1 is the first part of the listening test, so let's take a closer look. Now, Section 1, it involves an audio between two people within a social context. So they're having a conversation about some social situation. And the context is always, the situation is always some type of transaction. This could be whether the one person's purchasing an item or arranging some type of service such as a car rental. Or they're exchanging information. Now, the type of exchanges are as follows. So, for example, booking hotel flights, car rentals, vacation tours, making purchases such as computers or vehicles, or food, going to at a restaurant, books, making arrangements such as party planning or housing rentals, or gathering information, for instance, reporting a crime or applying for a library card. So those are the types of transactions that you could get for listening, for Section 1 listening. Now, you have several common question types for Section 1. These include form completion, multiple choice, table completion, and sentence completion. Now, you could have these questions in other sections except maybe form completion, but you'll find these more so in Section 1. Okay, so now let's move on. Now, the key points for Section 1 are you will hear a lot of information that's given, and the answers are likely to be names and addresses, product information, or information related to a package. And so details about the package, so like hotel room number or amenities of a hotel, for example. And then most questions will focus on facts rather than main ideas or inferences. And then you want to take the time to read the questions during the time provided. That's 1 minute. But doing so, you can predict the answers. This is especially true with form completion questions. So if you take the time, the 1 minute to prepare, you can predict answers. Now, while it's the easiest section, you should be focused and pay attention. So that's it for today's lesson. Today it was just an overview of Section 1. So you have an better idea of what you're dealing with for this section. So I want to thank you for joining me.